Let's do an abandoned car wash down here in Oswego. I don't even know what the name of this was, but I came across this when I was going into this little strip mall over here. And it's kind of hard to see off of the road, so surprised I didn't catch this earlier. So let's go take a look at this, an abandoned car wash. There's an available sign on the other side of this building, so that's how I know it's closed. So what's this here? Car Care Center. Like somebody just took that and threw it over here. Hey, you got the vacuums over here. All right, an abandoned car wash. I guess it's just called a car wash, I guess. I was trying to see if there was anything on the sign there. I don't have my new camera with me because I stumbled upon this in my outings. So let's see here. I don't know when this closed or why it closed or whatever. I just stumbled upon this here. It's a little changer right there. Well, let's imagine the rest of these garages look alike here. Yeah. Just show you one. It's like there's 1, 2, 3, 4 bays here. So I showed you the first one, what a bay would look like. Now let's go to the automatics here. Well, let's go down this hallway here. Let's see what's over here. Yeah, this car wash is pretty tough to see off of the road here. I got a drying towels here. Little pine trees. Mr. Big Towel. I've heard them called chamois. Then you got some Armor All here. Here's another changer here. And then that right there is the available sign right there. Yeah, there's like absolutely no name on this here. Just called car wash. Yeah, it's pretty tough to see off of the road. Was open 24 hours according to this garage sign here. Let's see here. Get a nice window shot here. I guess this is the this is the entrance to the car wash. I thought the other side was the entrance, but that was the exit. Ah, there we go. Maybe that's a good shot there. Inside of the automatic. Yeah, you can't see this from Douglas Road. You can't see it from Route 34. So that's why I wasn't able to find this like early in my channel. But like I said, I don't know when this closed. Yeah, there's another little sign right there that says car wash. Here's another bill changer right here. Here we go. Oh wow, I've never seen one of these before here. Usually they're on the inside of the car wash. This one's on the outside. Yep, 1 minute blow dry here. Another blow dryer here. And then this is the other side of the automatics here. Yep, not getting the car wash today. It remains dirty because the car wash is closed. Alright then, so from Oswego at this unnamed car wash. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, please, for a lot more content to come. Make sure that you like, comment, share these videos, please. God bless you. Continue shopping your local businesses. Continue shopping your local mall. Thank you very much. You guys are awesome.